Guys, I hope you're doing great. Let's start this new vlog without making a vlog. This will be mostly unboxing video, not a vlog. I bought a t-shirt, just showing you all the review, how it is, the quality. I sanitize it very well with sanitizer. This t-shirt is collaboration of Abhi and Niyu, and it is made fully of recycled plastic bottles and it's mentioned over here. This says 2700 liters of water. If you return this t-shirt after a use, when it gets old or worn out, you get 100 rupees cash from them. And this is Farak Padta t-shirt from Abhi and Niyu. The quality looks really good. It's mentioned over here. It's made with 6 PET bottles and 200 grams of cotton scrap. Cotton is also used from scrap, not the cotton. It is 60% cotton and 40% polyester, made with recycled materials. And most important, it's made in India. First time I'm doing this unboxing video, so please don't mind if it's not good. Under this also mentioned support endangered species, kind cotton, kind on planet, kind on you, net neutrality water. So One Ocean Blue is the company which makes t-shirts from the scrap, that is the waste PET bottles and scrap cotton. This logo looks really good. This logo is of Abhi and Niyu. They are the YouTubers who make videos for good cause. I will mention their link in the description box below. See you then. Bye bye.